Okay, guys, welcome to this GCSE 9 to 1 maths trig video revision. Okay, for your upcoming papers 2 and 3 for your calculator papers, okay, or your paper 3 if you're doing OCR, okay. But this video is aimed at the calculator papers for GCSE 9 to 1 maths, okay, for all examples. Question number 1: use the words below and the given angle. Label the sides of the right angle of this right angle triangle. You got opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So this is opposite the angle because it's directly opposite the angle. So this is what we call the opposite. Okay, because it's opposite the angle. Okay, the longest side, which is opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. So I'll just label it as H. Okay, for time's sake. And then this is what I call the adjacent. Okay, this is always the most important thing you do. Okay, whenever you are doing trigonometry for SOHCAHTOA, you label your side step 1, and then we look at SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent or Talama angle is opposite over adjacent. Question number 2: calculate the side length or the length of the side, label D. So use Pythagoras because it is a right angle triangle. We're going to have 16.5 squared plus 22.5 squared. Okay, square rooted. So work it out, and then obviously square rooted. And then if we bring that into our calculator, okay, we'll get an answer, and we'll round that answer here to 1 dp. Okay, for the sake of ease. So let's work it out. So 16.5 times 16. Oops. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second because I haven't got my actual calculator on me. So 16.5 squared plus 22.5 squared. Okay, we're going to press equal so we get the square root of 778. Sorry, 778.5. So square root, answer, and what do we get? We get 27.9 to 1 decimal place or 3 significant figures. Okay, always remember your units in the exam. So 27.9. Okay, and that's looking at Pythagoras. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is in your hypotenuse and a and b are your two shorter side lengths. It doesn't matter which one's a and which one's b, okay? But the key to remember is that the hypotenuse is always directly opposite the right angle. Question number 3. So doing some calculator work now. Okay, so let's just clear this. So 25, oops, let's delete that. 25 times 15. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, okay, I get 6.70 to 2 dp. Okay, in exam, they'll specify what obviously round to, but if you're ever in doubt or unsure, I would go for 2 dp. Okay, next one, we've got 8 over cosine of 40 or cos 40. Okay, close the brackets. We get 10.44 to 2 dp. And then lastly, sine to the minus 1 of 36/47. So we press shift and then sine. Okay. So we press shift and then sine and then type in 36 divided by 47. Okay, close the brackets. Close the brackets, and we get 49.99 degrees to 2 decimal places. Okay, and that's working with our calculators. Okay, looking at some trig functions. Okay, so practice that if you need to. Okay, but that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now. Take care. All the best, folks.